The Lifetime storage box has a 130-gallon capacity, providing plenty of room to store all the items that you want to keep in a convenient outdoor location. It is the perfect solution for your outdoor storage needs. The rigid, double-walled, high-density polyethylene construction makes the Lifetime outdoor storage box strong, durable, and sturdy enough to even be used as a patio bench. The wall panels and lid are UV protected and will not crack, chip, or peel. The weather and water-resistant seal helps keep the interior clean and dry. And the steel hinges also have a weather-resistant finish to prevent rusting or corrosion. The Lifetime storage box has a controlled spring hinge lid that opens greater than 90 degrees, won't slam shut, and has a convenient locking design to keep your items safe and secure. So put away your pool equipment, store those patio cushions, or have a designated spot for your outdoor toys. No matter your storage needs, the Lifetime outdoor storage box has a convenient, attractive design and durable construction that is perfect to keep your backyard looking good.